Good morning. This is Captain Bruce and Ivan Hernandez from Statewide Marine. It's an overcast Tuesday today, bright and early, and we're a little beat up from yesterday from the heat. We had an RV and 5 boats, so a total of six stops yesterday. And today our target boat to start the day, we're located over here at beautiful Coco Plum, will be this beautiful 45 Searay, promptly named the Bronx. It's a great customer, been very loyal to us, and we appreciate again his confidence in Statewide Marine. So today we're over here doing the annual maintenance on the equipment. The boat has 4 units, 1 on the bridge, 1 forward, and 2 salon. We've done a lot of work on this boat already. We've actually changed 2 of the pieces of equipment that's in the salon. It's a little bit of a tight shot here, but we're gonna take a peek here in the engine room. Ivan's down here working on the sea strainer, getting everything cleaned up there. Of course, as you can see, we've got our bucket here with the pump. We have only descaled the forward unit, which we're working on now, and you can see the bucket's pretty dirty, so we know that all the equipment's gonna be dirty. So we've got our pump running from the hose on the seawater pump of the boat, through the pump, through the forward unit, and of course, we got our out disconnected. And as we can see, with this boat, since we have self-contains aboard, we're using our longer hose, and we're got it routed all the way up forward here to the overboard of the equipment, which we can see right there. And of course, we got our overboard hose right next to it, which I already blew out with nitrogen, so we know that the overboard's clear. This is one of the units we've serviced. We'll take a quick step back towards the salon, and of course, as you can see, under the dinette here, we've changed that one, brand new. And then over here on the port side, behind the chair here, is also another one. We've changed that one as well. Perfect installs. Equipment's running perfect on the boat. And of course, we have another one upstairs that our video is getting a little long, so we're gonna cut the chase on that. We're gonna get that one cleaned as well. And that's our video. Again, we appreciate you watching all the time. Thank you very much. And you all have a great day. We got another brand new customer that's on B dock here at Coco Plum. So we're gonna get to him next, and he has 3 boats here that he takes care of here at Coco Plum. So he informed me that if we do a great job, we can get the work on the other 2 boats. And which of course I responded to that we plan on getting all 3 boats because we know what we do. So that's confidence. So again, thank you very much. We appreciate it. Have a great day.